Ramen, with its comforting broth, springy noodles, and array of toppings, has captured the hearts and stomachs of people around the world. But the story of ramen is more than just a tale of delicious food, it's a journey through the history, culture, and evolution of Japanese cuisine. In this comprehensive exploration, we will delve deep into the origins of ramen, tracing its path from its humble beginnings to its status as a global culinary phenomenon. Origins of ramen. The history of ramen is intertwined with the cultural exchange between Japan and China. While the exact origins of ramen are debated, it is widely believed that ramen noodles were introduced to Japan by Chinese immigrants in the late 19th century. Initially known as Shina soba, or Chinese soba, ramen was sold in yatai, food stalls, and catered mainly to Chinese laborers and sailors in port cities like Yokohama and Kobe. These early versions of ramen were simple affairs, consisting of wheat noodles served in a clear broth. Toppings were minimal, often limited to green onions or sliced pork. Over time, however, Japanese chefs began to put their own spin on the dish, incorporating local ingredients and flavors to create distinct regional styles of ramen. Evolution of ramen. The post-war era marked a period of rapid growth and innovation in the ramen industry. With the widespread availability of ingredients and the proliferation of ramen shops across Japan, ramen became a staple of the Japanese diet. Ramenya, ramen shops, began to emerge in every corner of the country, offering a variety of styles and flavors to suit different tastes. During this time, several key developments helped shape the modern ramen we know today. Momofuku Ando's invention of instant ramen in 1958 revolutionized the way ramen was consumed, making it convenient and accessible to people around the world. This marked the beginning of ramen's journey from a humble street food to a global culinary phenomenon. Regional variations of ramen. One of the most fascinating aspects of ramen is its incredible diversity. Each region of Japan has its own unique style of ramen, characterized by variations in broth, noodles, and toppings. Some of the most famous regional styles include Sapporo ramen, originating from the northern island of Hokkaido. Sapporo ramen features a rich and hearty miso-based broth, chewy noodles, and toppings like butter and sweet corn. Tokyo ramen, also known as shoyu ramen. Tokyo ramen is characterized by its clear soy sauce-based broth and thin, curly noodles. Toppings typically include sliced pork, green onions, and bamboo shoots. Kyushu ramen, hailing from the southern island of Kyushu, Kyushu ramen is known for its creamy tonkatsu, pork bone, broth and thin, straight noodles. Toppings often include slices of chashu pork, black garlic oil, and pickled ginger. These regional variations reflect the unique culinary traditions and local ingredients of each area, creating a rich tapestry of flavors and textures. Ramen in Japanese culture. Ramen has become an integral part of Japanese culture, appearing in films, literature, and television shows. One of the most famous examples is the ramen western, a subgenre of Japanese cinema that combines elements of the traditional western with the world of ramen. Films like Tampopo and Ramen Heads have garnered cult followings for their quirky humor and mouth-watering depictions of ramen. In addition to its presence in popular media, ramen has also inspired the creation of dedicated museums and festivals celebrating its culinary heritage. The Shin-Yokohama Ramen Museum, for example, offers visitors the opportunity to sample a wide variety of regional ramen styles from across Japan, while the Tokyo Ramen Show attracts thousands of visitors each year with its showcase of innovative ramen creations from top chefs. Ramen goes global. In recent decades, ramen has transcended its origins to become a global culinary phenomenon. From bustling street stalls in Tokyo to trendy ramen bars in New York City, ramen has captured the imaginations of food enthusiasts around the world. The globalization of ramen has been driven by a combination of factors, including the rise of food tourism, the popularity of Japanese pop culture, and the efforts of pioneering chefs and restaurateurs. Today, ramen can be found in cities and towns across the globe, from London to Los Angeles, Sydney to Seoul. While many international ramen shops offer faithful renditions of traditional Japanese styles, others have put their own unique twist on the dish, incorporating local ingredients and culinary traditions to create innovative fusion dishes. In conclusion, the history of ramen is a testament to the creativity, ingenuity, and adaptability of Japanese cuisine. From its humble beginnings as a Chinese import to its current status as a global culinary phenomenon, ramen has undergone a remarkable evolution, reflecting the changing tastes and cultural influences of its creators and consumers. Whether enjoyed in a traditional ramenya in Japan or a trendy noodle bar overseas, ramen continues to captivate diners with its irresistible combination of flavors, textures, and aromas. As we look to the future, one thing is certain: the story of ramen is far from over, and its journey is sure to inspire generations of food lovers for years to come. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more similar video content.